everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share 3 amazing DIYs for your garden or balcony. If you enjoyed today's video, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIY videos. So without further ado, let's get started. For the first DIY, I have taken 2 cardboard pieces, one big and a small piece for a 3D effect. Now I'll stick both the cardboard pieces using Fevicol. Now using any circular object, draw a circle at the upper side of the cardboard. Now using Mold It, I am going to make flowers. Before making flower, I am going to dust some powder over my hand and the surface as well. I am going to make rose flowers, so I'll share a very easy and simple technique with you guys. First of all, make 5 small balls using Mold It, and then flatten them out using any cylindrical object. Once all the pieces are done, keep one over the another and then start rolling them from one side. Once you are done rolling it, cut it from center using a knife or a craft cutter. And we have 2 roses over here. This is a very simple and easy technique which I follow, and you should also try this. Now with very light hands, start spreading the petals in the outward direction. Now using white glue, I am going to paste these 2 flowers on the cardboard piece. I have also made some small flowers which I am going to paste around these 2 big flowers. You can decorate the cardboard in the way you like, or you can show your own creativity and designs. Now I'm going to paint the entire cardboard piece. Now I'm going to write a quote. You can write any quote which you like, or you can search garden or balcony related quotes on Google or Pinterest as well. Now I'm going to make two cute little birds, and to make it I have taken a cardboard piece and I'll cut it into shape of birds. Now I will join these two pieces using white glue, and then I'll cover it using newspaper. Now I am painting the bird using orange acrylic color. And with this, our cute little bird is ready, and I have made one more such bird, and now I am pasting them over the cardboard piece, and with this our cute DIY is ready. For the second DIY, I have taken a plastic cup and I have made a hole at its bottom, and I am going to paint it using blue acrylic color. Once the paint is dried, I am going to paste a white cotton lace over the cup. Now using white acrylic color, I am painting white cute little flowers over the cup. Now using yellow acrylic color, make dots at the center of the flowers. And here is our beautiful DIY best out of waste planter. I hope you like this idea. For the third and last DIY of today's video, I am using popsicle sticks. I am going to arrange them in the pattern of a signboard, and then I am going to write quotation on it. And with this, all our DIYs are ready, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thanks for